Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay November 11, 2023 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM Legit Games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 11, 2023 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ng lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Saturday, November 11, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for November 11, 2023, Saturday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 117 million pesos for Saturday, November 11, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of November 11, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.